Hello, I am Chef Carol, NYC, and I teach low-carb, keto-friendly, step-by-step cooking. Welcome to my channel. I hope you stay around and subscribe, and if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. The following ingredients are needed for the chicken shepherd pie: ginger, cheddar cheese, an onion, celery, cherry tomatoes, ground chicken, garlic, marjoram, turmeric, ghee, thyme leaves, bay leaves, avocado oil, heavy whipping cream, cabbage, and of course, cauliflower. Before starting, you must mise en place your ingredients. I'm using a non-stick pan, and I'm adding in the avocado oil. So basically, I'm just going to heat up this oil so I can get a good saute on my vegetables. I'm first adding in my celery. And what I've done is I've combined the onion and the garlic in my NutriBullet, and I'm going to just stir that into the celery. This is not a step you need to do. You can basically just cut up the onions. It's just my preference to have it this way. Add in the ginger for about a minute, just to let the flavor bloom. Then you're just going to mix the ginger in with the other vegetables. Now you add in the turmeric, and the turmeric gives it good color. So give that a good stir, and then just push it aside and add in the ground chicken. Now this ground chicken is going to have to brown, so we will gradually stir it in, breaking it up, mixing it in with the vegetables. This also allows the meat to be flavored at the same time. So take your time, keep breaking the meat up. If you notice, I've put on a pot of water. We're going to add in our sliced cherry tomatoes. We're also going to add in the dried thyme and marjoram. We're going to give that a good stir, get those ingredients combined. I'm adding in bay leaves. Give it another good stir. And I'm just trying to get everything centered around the heat core right now. Make sure those bay leaves are in there. I have riced my cauliflower in the food processor, and I'm actually just steaming it now so that there will be less water in it when I put it into the frying pan. Once the cauliflower has softened, I'm going to get another fryer and add the cauliflower into it. Now this is going to be combined with the ghee, the heavy cream, some additional turmeric, and the cheddar cheese. And I'm going to stir it until it's creamy. I'm going to add the cabbage in over the meat mixture, and I'm going to add in the cauliflower over that and put that in the oven for about 15 minutes until the cheese is bubbling and golden. And there you have chicken shepherd pie.
Thank you so much for cooking with me today. And if you enjoyed this video, please check out my other tutorials. See you soon.